Yung status ko before the start ng bootcamp is total newbie talaga.
As a newbie, kung walang kalam-alam, syempre, Pinoy alam mo naman tayo pag gusto easy money.
Dati chamba-chamba lang talaga. Nakaka-raise ako ng ang laking pera pero nawawala rin.
Yun, naranasan ko masunog.
Tira lang ang tira kahit walang alam. Basta trade.
Minsan sumasa pool, minsan wala. Pero mas madalas wala.
Mga 20% to 30% na lang yung naiwan.
Ang alam ko lang is sell high, buy low. Hindi ko rin alam kung kumikita ako o hindi.
Sa crypto kasi parang nakaka-overwhelm siya pag iti-trade.
Nadadali ako sa emosyon eh.
Ang hirap. Alam mo yung parang wala kang alam talaga.
Okay guys, very simple lang. Kailangan mentally prepared. Hindi lang yung trading plan ha. Some other traders, they want to be specific. Kasi minsan may kinocompete yan eh. Talagang kumikita yung portfolio.
Pagka binuksa ko yung trading view, alam ko na agad kung anong gagawin ko.
Mas nagkaroon ako ng direction.
Everything like walk in the park lang.
It's well organized.
Hinimay-himay kasi from macro to micro.
Sinulat ko pa lahat yan para ulit-ulitin ko.
Masarap pag may kasama na mag-guide talaga sa'yo.
Yung knowledge ko parang biglang lumaki.
Kung talagang chamba, ngayon okay na ako.
Aware na ako doon sa disiplina na dapat kong gawin.
Dami katutunan.
Mas ang daming realization.
Wala akong masabi na negative.
Sulit. Okay kayo, Jud. Dili boring ang kuan. Daghang learnings. Profit na, Jud.
What's up?
Yo, what's up guys?
What's up?
Let's go! Welcome back! It's me again, cryptocurrency trader, and nandito na naman tayo sa another episode ng ating live. And with that, syempre, I also want to say thank you to our viewers. So as of the meantime, we have a total of 49 viewers. So that's for both YouTube and Facebook. And also big shoutout din kay John Ferrer watching from Facebook. Kay Ryan Lumotos Aldiguer, what's up? Big shoutout din kay Rosel P, kay Priest Rindon Corpus, what's up? So guys, ngayon no, so I believe wala pa tayong masyadong chart request. So if you have any chart request, kukuha tayo ng tatlong chart request because may gagawin tayo mamayang 9:30 and I also want to prepare with that. So sobrang importante ng trade na yon. So kaabang-abang, no? And also big shoutout din kay Christian Calio, watching from Facebook. Big shoutout din kay Calvin Laurles, kay Princess Nicolas watching sa ating YouTube channel, kay I'm Pretty Casey, ayun no. Big shoutout sa'yo. And kay Ralph Olguera, ayun may chart request na siya. Big shoutout din kay Clark Uchita, what's up? And also kay Sean Sahulga, isang wave, ayun no. Maraming salamat sa wave. So big shoutout din kay Ryan Lumotos Aldiguer. So BTC USDT, ayun no. Dami nating mga chart requests coming from Facebook and YouTube. So most of their chart requests are BTC USDT. So ayan, sige, tingnan natin. Okay, so uy, meron din tayong chart request coming from I'm Pretty Casey. Balikan daw natin yung key. Sige, tingnan natin yan. Sabi ni Andolf Rib Octura Ogan, sir, interactive ba yung trade yung mamayang 9:30 coach? may tinetest ako, no? So ayoko muna i-announce dahil syempre ano yun eh nasa testing phase pa, but definitely surely share it to you guys once na ma-prove natin yung idea na yun, kasi in the first place alam ko once na ma-share ko yun dito and sabi ko na information, mahirap na ibalik lalo na kung bigla nyo siyang gagawin. And I also don't want you to have a unnecessary losses, because everything that I always mention here is first things first, this is not a financial advice. So kung magti-trade kayo, again guys, make sure you already have your trading plan ahead of time before you open your charts. Okay, dahil ang market kasi, no, it's very addictive, especially kung nakita mo lagi at pinagmamasdan mo yung mga candlesticks. So yeah, that's our gentle reminder. And going back naman tayo sa ating market cap. So if we're going to pay attention sa ating market cap, it is now around 60.8%. So I believe this was around 60.9, no? Nung 60.2 pala, 60.2%. Tama ba? Yeah. Before, no? Ngayon, makikita natin na what is it, some of the altcoins are going down. And then yung ibang major currencies like BTC ay umaakyat. So, dahil lang guys sa pagpalit ng BTC dominance natin, no? So more of the money are being traded sa BTC. And if we're going to look at on our market cap, so 374 tayo. This was around 368 billion last week, no? So very exciting na nag-hold yung ating market cap. And so with that, we can also see more movement on the price on the upside, especially with BTC. Okay, so punta tayo sa BTC USDT, especially with those people who are asking for its charts no, for an analysis. And again guys, etong analysis na to may not be may correct, no? So this might not be a correct analysis. So with that, analysis is just an analysis, kaya lagi natin sabihan na dapat meron tayong risk management, kasi just in case na mali yung analysis natin, we can cover our mistakes and take small losses. Okay, so with that, let's plot our simple support and resistance. And as you can see guys, we already retesting this week. So the next question is, potentially ba ma-break yan? Yes, potentially ma-break, but I don't know kung mag-hold yan. Okay, so if you are also going to look at this area, so ito yung near resistance niya, and very apparent naman na nalagpasan niya to. So let's remove our support and resistance level around that area. Pati ito din nalagpasan niya rin yan, no? So yung mga lines natin and yung post natin before was already invalid, and we are now successfully entering the 12,000 mark. And the next question is, hanggang saan to mag-hold? Ayan, pag-usapan natin yan, no? So if we're going to look at it on a weekly time frame, punta tayo sa ating weekly time frame. So buhay na buhay pa yung weekly time frame natin. It could possibly hit the 30,000. Possibility yan guys, no? Dahil open na open pa yung ating weekly time frame, and we can also expect some of the price retesting, sabihin natin for tomorrow, just in case na ma-hit niya ito and magkaroon siya ng retracement. So pag sinabi natin retracement guys, okay, let's have a swing over here. Ito, meron na tayong swing dito sa area na to. So let's have an example. Okay, so pag sinabi nating swing, meron tayong sabi nating price action papunta on the upside. And then if para masabi nating retracement yan, dapat meron tayong ganitong itsura ng price. So to put it simply, retracement means, no, short term correction or short term movement against the price, against the direction of the price. Ayan, so yan ang isa sa mga tatandaan nyo. That's what we call retracement. Syempre may version din yan on the downside. Ang gagawin nyo lang is babaliktarin nyo lang. Sabihin natin meron tayong price action dito, and then we had this swing. So in this case, meron ba siyang retracement? Wala pa. Pero kung lalagyan natin ito, meron na bang retracement? Definitely the answer is yes. Okay, again, isang run pa para maintindihan na ulit ng ating mga viewers if nakuha ba yung ating simple takeaway. Again, guys, if we are looking for a retracement, ano ulit ang kailangan natin makita? Dapat meron siyang short-term price movement against the price direction. So, if we're going to look at it on the downside, again, meron tayong price direction pababa, and then dapat meron din siyang price movement on against its trend, no? So, ayan. Okay, so every swing kasi guys, consider din yan as mini trends. And kaya maririnig nyo minsan, may tinatawag tayong small trends, medium, intermediate trend, and long-term trend. So with that, that's our takeaway for tonight. And I hope marami kayong natutunan sa explanation na yun. And let's move on sa ating analysis. So going back dito sa ating BTC, USDT, you will also see na open pa nga yung candlestick niya, and it could have another follow-up for tomorrow. But again, since this is a resistance, it could possibly followed up by a red candlestick. So I also want to see this price to get retested. So if magiging red to tomorrow, okay, let's open our RSI. Ayan, so potentially we can have a retracement, no? Hindi natin masasabi na it could surpass and have another one candlestick ahead of this resistance level. Pero potentially, that's why I don't want to trade BTC. Pero kung magta-trade kayo ng BTC guys, I recommend that nagpaparami kayo ng BTC, I suppose, no? Ang gawin nyo, mag-trade na lang kayo ng mga BTC pairs. And if bumababa naman sila, I believe the best thing that you could do is trade that BTC pair on the short side. Dahil naglalaglagan sila ngayon. Okay, so sa mga nagtatanong, Coach, gusto ko matutunan yan. Paano ba? Okay, don't worry guys, we will have a bootcamp for we have a upcoming bootcamp on November 14. So abangan niyo yung announcement. Hindi pa natin yun soft launching pa lang tayo. So if you have questions regarding the online bootcamp, kindly message us on our page. So pero ayun nga guys, may mga slots na tayong pinamimigay ngayon, and we also have exclusive promo. And with that, for further details, kindly message me on our Facebook page. So going back sa ating BTC USD analysis. Okay, so ayan guys, we have a resistance over here, another resistance. And if potentially magkaroon to ng retracement tomorrow, I also want to see the RSI level to have also its retracement. Pero kung makikita nyo yung ating monthly time frame, open na open din yan, and that could also potentially na mahit din natin itong level na to. Sabi natin kanina 13, yes, that is correct. So I also see na magkaroon ng close dito around 13,701 if just in case continue pa to sa upside within this month. But again, this is just an analysis. Analysis is just analysis. No, anything can happen in the market. In the first place, ako guys, hindi ko tinitrade ng BTC. Again, I'm looking to trade more BTC pairs, especially sa short side, dahil marami naglalaglagan na altcoins ngayon. But kung titingnan nyo yung overall outlook in the market, sobrang up pa talaga, especially with the market cap. So tingnan nyo yung market cap natin, 'di ba? Kung babagsak talaga ang BTC market or ang cryptocurrency market, dapat it's already around 300 below billion, no? So that's our analysis with BTC, and I hope very fruitful ang naging discussion natin dito. Fruitful no? Halatang gutom na naman si Coach. Di pa tayo nagdi-dinner ulit eh. Wala na, trip ko lang mag-live na. Ayun, ang basa ko tuloy sa message ni Dual Hound watching from YouTube, preserve. Okay? Halatang related na naman sa pagkain. Preserve. Okay, pa-reserve pala yun. Okay. Big shoutout din kay Boo Yupon. Uy, si Marky, what's up? One of our bootcamp attendee. Oy, Marky. Si Marky nga pala guys is one of our mentorship student. Huwag makakalimutan yung assignment mo ha. Na-check ko na kanina. Okay. Good evening nga din pala kay David Bungato. What's up? Uy, all the way from our Discord channel. Big shoutout din kay Erickson Fuertes, kay William Avellano, kay Clark Leeson, ay Clayson, ayun no. And syempre sabi ni Clayson mukhang may sigaw na pag-ibig. Pa-shoutout daw si Joanne Ferrer. Ayun, what's up? Joanne Ferrer. Mabait po na mabait na boyfriend po si Clayson. Ayan Mabuting boyfriend po. Ayan. Mark Jeffrey Arnang, DTSDT coach sana. Sige. Laban. Okay, sige, tingnan natin yung mga chart requests coming sa ating YouTube viewers and Facebook. And check natin yung unang-una. So meron tayong XRP. We also discuss BTC. Tapos na tayo sa BTC coming from Calvin Laureles pala to, no? Yung XRP natin. Tapos si Princess Nicolas, ayun, tapos na yung BTC niya. We have a chart request coming from Comp, ay kay Ralph Olguera, Comp, no? So ang promise natin, mga 5. So we have a chart request coming from Dras Data, Ethereum, and Waves, boss. Ayun, no? Sino pa ba? Ayun, I'm Pretty KZ. Ayan, sige, pagbigyan natin si KZ. Si Pretty KZ. I'm Key, ayan. Tsaka isa kay Elmer, kay Algo, Theta USDT. So open natin yan. Okay guys, so kung magti-trade kayo ng BTC, I don't recommend it kasi if you want to accumulate for the sake of accumulating BTC, dapat sa alts kayo nagpaparami yan. Pero again, kung trip nyo magparami ng BTC pair with using leverage trading, still up to you. Pero ang sa akin lang naman ay konting paalala para mas ma-manage ninyo ang risk ninyo. Okay, so moving on sa ating next chart request, yun kay Calvin Laureles, XRP USDT. Okay, so with XRP USDT, kung titignan natin siya, okay, tingnan naman natin yung, ayan, zoom in natin. Okay, so with XRP, makikita natin na still moving on a ranging market, ranging direction. So still waiting for the breakout, especially on the smaller time frame. So pag nag-break tong level na to, that is for me perfect time na maka-enter. And you will also notice na syempre there will be a couple of setup din na potentially magpakita on a smaller time frame. But still up to you guys. If you think the price will hold around this level, ayan, no. So if tingin nyo okay mag-hold yung level na yun, still up to you if you are looking to go long. But ako siguro I'll wait for i-confirmation. So kung may nakikita din kayong inverse head and shoulder pattern in this area, ayan, yeah, pwede rin yun. Inverse head and shoulder pattern, ayan. Okay, inverse head and shoulder pattern. And again, kung titingnan din natin dito guys, sa swing na to, okay, starts with letter R. Ano ulit yung hinahanap natin para ma-validate natin na this is a swing? Okay, I want to see on our comment section. Na-mention natin yun kanina. Okay, etong word na to that starts with letter R, okay, ito yung definition natin na a short-term movement against the trend. Okay, I want to see on our comment section. Ayan, so we have an answer coming from Andolf. Retest. Ayan, so malapit na. We have a answer coming from team Griengo reversal. Yes, malapit na. Ayun, syempre sabi nga ni Andolf Dr. Ogan, retracement pala. Ayun, that is correct. Retracement. Tama din siya. Si Clark Ojida, retracement pala, coach. Ayun, no. Si Ryan Alder, retracement and retracement and retracement and retracement. Ayan guys, so if you're going to ask me, no, coach, paano mo ba tinitingnan ng isang chart? Ang isang hinahanap agad ng chart ko when it comes to trading, kasi syempre you need to follow the trend eh. Number one, you need to look for a swing and identify that swing. Is it a swing high or swing low? Is it a retracement or may continuation pa ba? Kasi if I'm going to ask you guys, dito sa chart natin na to, I believe nakakita kayo ng pattern dyan. Pero ang next question, kung na-identify mo na kung ano yung next swing dito, so ngayon meron tayong swing low. Now if you have a swing low, I want to see on our comment section, ano ang next na hinihintay mo? Ano ang next na hinihintay mo? Okay? Alam ko October na. Okay? Hindi Pasko Okay, hindi. Ilang buwan pa yun. Ano ang hinihintay mo? Ano, anniversary ng girlfriend nyo? Mansary ng girlfriend mo? Okay. Siyempre, you are looking for, ayan. Siyempre, starting with swing. Word na swing. Ayan. Definitely, you are, again, looking for a potential swing. Ayan. Hi! Ayun! Ayun. You are looking for another pattern which is swing high. So that's how the market moves, no? Kasi pag nakita ko naman na nag-swing high na siya, syempre, ang next kong hihintay dyan is yung swing low. Okay, syempre para ma-anticipate ko na, ay, baka dito lalanding to Okay, so kung just in case maglanding yun, definitely it's still up to you if you're going to execute the trade. Ganun ang perspective ko if una ko titignan yung chart. Tignan ko agad kung nasan yung current swing and then look for an idea kung ano bang swing ang next na gagawin niya. So for this case, potentially possible swing on the upside. Okay, so ganun lang. I know we have a special swing high coming from Charles Richard Anyora. Ayun, what's up sa'yo? Maraming salamat. Isang swing na magandang gabi. Ayun. What's up? So, ayan yung mga magagandang lessons na na-share natin for tonight, guys. So, with XRP, potentially nga ulit siya na ma-retest nyo ulit to. And again, kung nakita ninyo na, ayun nga, na this is a possible swing high, then go ahead, guys, no? It's still your call. Call nyo yan, guys. And kasi nakikita ko na if mag-hold ito, maritas niya ito, sakto to 382, and then let's see kung tatago siya hanggang 618. And I believe the smaller time frame patterns will show up once na mag-form yung formation na yan, pero still up to you, guys, no? Dapat meron kayong trading plan because syempre mas lamang pa rin ang may trading plan kaysa wala, no? Baka maging trading plane ka lang. Alam mo yung lumipad lang. Ayun. Yung parang wala, nag-trade ka lang. Lumipas lang. Alam mo, parang airplane, di ba? Trading plane. Ayan. Lumipas lang, nag-trade ka lang, nanalo. Uy, flex konti. Tapos pag natalo, ayan, wag mo na mag-flex. Balik na lang ulit. Ayan, trading plane lang. Okay, so you really need to be clear on your trading goals, no? Okay, so for our next chart request, nakita ko rin dito pala kay XRP no, magandang risk to reward ratio if you're going to sabihin natin kung ang trading idea mo dito, this is a potential higher low. So with that, nasa iyo yan kung ititik mo yan, no? So I see a potential 1:3 ratio or 1:2. Around dito, ayan, 1:2 area. Okay, so next, punta naman tayo kay Comp, coming from Rap Alguera. So si Comp, ayan, hindi na siya ganun ka-competitive. Pabagsak na siya eh. Okay, but syempre, tingnan natin to on the daily time frame. So sa daily time frame, talagang downtrend siya. Okay, so yung direction niya is on the downside, especially with weekly. So we have two time frame na nagsabi, especially with daily 4 hours. So ayun, wala na tayong ibang masasabi dito. This is a valid movement on the downside and certified. This is a downtrend market. Ayan, certified downtrend market yan. So kung may nakikita kayo dito na ang RSI niya is already below, for me, may potential yan na mag-create ulit ng pattern dito and to retest this area. And if nabuo na yung descending triangle dito, I see a potential another continuation on the downside. So it will, or it might take some time before ito maka-recover. So if you are shorting this, then good job. Pero if you are holding this CompUSDT altcoin, ako, siguro all I can say, dapat should do your job, do your homework and learn how trading works and accept your mistake and then move on. Tapos document mo para hindi masayang yung learning mo dito. Okay, so if you're going to trade this, again, the most ideal entry is around this level. So nakita ko ito yung pinakamagandang level to trade this, simply because with the principle of supply and demand or support and resistance, we can put our, sabihin natin, near this area yung ating short, no? And again, ano ulit yung hinahanap natin kung meron tayong swing low? Naghahanap tayo ng potential? I want to see on our comment section. Okay. Definitely, we are waiting for a potential swing high. Pero kung, yun nga, if you're going to chase this price, siguro, manage your risk na lang, no? Kasi, syempre, hindi mo pa rin alam masabi na talagang hanggang dyan lang siya, may support dito, hindi niya papansin or magkakaroon siya ng swing. So again, that's why puro test lang muna ang gagawin mo before you have sabihin natin na bago mo ilagay yung conviction dun sa trade na yun. So make sure to test your trades. Okay, so that's our analysis with Comp. Doon naman tayo sa Ethereum, which is very has a positive correlation with BTC. Ayan, so nakita natin na with XRP, Ethereum, TRX, NEO, ayan, halos magkakapareha sila. So tingnan natin to, no, TRX. Ayan, si TRX magkakaparehan sila. Okay. Ayan, magkakaparehan sila, si NEO. So pabilisan na lang ang kailangan nating hanapin dito. So next is kung titingnan natin tong NEO versus TRX, same lang din sila na scenario. Ang pinagkaiba na lang is yung distance ng price to each other and yung Fibonacci retracement kung hanggang saan sila aabot. So ito 236 already retested, same with Ethereum. So I see a potential movement on the upside. That's why inaabangan ko din talaga mabuti itong mga major or top currencies na to. Okay. Sabi ni Ralph Olguera, bakit pareha sila, coach? So, yan na tinatawag nating positive correlation. So, as time goes by, if BTC, if other currencies moves on the upside, yung iba na hila, they are also being traded on the upside. Kasi simply because you will also notice yung ating, again, kaya lagi natin pa ulit-ulit na binabanggit yung ating market cap. Okay, with that, nakita natin na nag-hold siya and usually nagkakaroon siya ng drastic movement on the downside, pero nagko-compound pa rin, nagkakaroon siya ng movement na slight movement on the upside. So ayun, sabi nga ni Zilong, correlated nga. Yes, that is correct. Okay, so that's our analysis with Ethereum. So we also have waves. Okay, so waves, ayan na, sinasabi natin nauna na si waves, no? Pero siguro discuss na lang natin to sa Discord. Okay, so may mga importanteng dito sa na i-mention dito. Okay, so that's our analysis with the ETH and waves. So coming from I'm Pretty KC, tingnan natin yung key, ang susi. Ayan. Okay. Sabi ni Zilong, may growth si waves. Yes. Okay, baka ang nakikita ko kay waves pala, guys. Okay. Since mukhang mas nauna siya sa ibang altcoin and potentially na mas malaki na rin pera yung napunta sa kanya, I see hindi lang waves ang mangyayari dito, no? Baka tsunami. Okay. This is not a financial advice, no? So ngayon waves lang yan, pero tignan natin kung mawawala ba yung alon or nadyan pa rin. Okay, kasi baka minsan eto mukhang potentially high tide siya, kaya umakyat siya. So ngayon, let's see if kung bumagsak yan, baka low tide. Okay, but again, it's all about the flow. Ayan, flow and ebb of the price in the market. So that's why kung walang pera na papasok with our cryptocurrency market, expect for the price to go down. But again, maraming pumapasok na pera sa ating market. So that's why some of the currencies are up, especially the top 10 crypto. Hindi kasama yung stable coins, ha. Okay, so balik tayo sa ating key, ang susi. Ayan, oh. So with our key, USDT, medyo challenging bigyan ng analysis si key because it has a very unique movement. So kung makita niyo dito, guys, some of the currencies has their own sabihin natin generic movement. Sabihin natin meron tayong accumulation, advancing, distribution, tapos declining. Pero kung kay key, makikita nyo dito na very short-lived, no? Very short-lived yung movement niya, though pag nag-ipon siya talaga ng energy para maka-breakout, sobrang tagal. Pero pag nag-break naman siya, sobrang lakas din. So if you're holding key USDT, I don't recommend it because very unpredictable nga itong movement ni key, dahil pag nagkaroon siya ng movement on the downside, sobrang bagal, sobrang tagal. Pero pag nagkaroon naman siya ng swings, sobrang lakas naman. So that's our analysis with key USDT. Hindi ko to lalagyan ng Fibonacci kasi again, I don't want to give at least an idea na may magandang entry dito because again, key USDT is one of the hardest currencies na matitrade mo. So if mahuli mo yung momentum dyan, then good job and I congratulate you. Pero if you're holding key USDT, I don't recommend it. Okay, so that's our analysis with key USDT. Okay. So let's check our next chart request. So meron tayong Algo USDT. Okay, so last ano na to guys, chart request, no? So with Algo, same lang din siya, no? Very correlated with Waves, Ethereum. So same scenario, we still see a ranging market over here or ranging direction. So with that, I still want to wait for the price to break around this range before we want to enter this. Pero kung kayo nakita nyo yung magandang area around this level near support, then still up to you. So we can expect for the price to move above this level. And kung magkaroon siya ng retracement, and then kung ituloy niya dito, if mag-hold itong area na to. Pero kung hindi naman, again, that's why lagi natin sinasabi na kailangan nyo ng RM. Okay? Hindi yan nurse, no? That's risk management. RN yun. Ito RM to. Okay? So that's our analysis and live for tonight. Again guys, maraming salamat, no? I really appreciate you guys spending your time dito sa ating stream since it's already 9 PM in the evening, no? So time check natin yan. And syempre, ano rin bang araw ngayon? So tonight is Wednesday, no? So may live tayo tomorrow ulit, 8:30 PM. So with that, maraming salamat ulit guys. Kung magti-trade kayo, make sure to plan your trade and trade your plan. And as always, trade responsibly. Maraming salamat. And for those who are asking kung paano yung sa bootcamp, just send me a message on our Facebook page. With that, maraming salamat. If magti-trade kayo, make sure to plan your trade and trade your plan. And as always, trade responsibly. Maraming salamat and have a good night. Salamat guys. See you guys tomorrow.
What's up?